Snoring is noise made when inhaling while sleeping and the structures of the upper airway vibrate. Snoring is not an illness but can be a symptom of an underlying ailment. Snoring is caused by vibration of soft tissues in the back of the mouth that occurs as a result of partial obstruction of the airway. It is often secondary to the movement of the soft tissues of the palate, uvula, tongue and tonsils relaxing during sleep. People who snore often have too much soft tissue that's more prone to vibrate in the tiny opening of the airway called the nasopharynx. Whether you have a large tongue, weak tongue muscles, or sleep on your back, the soft tissue can relax and block this airway. The Zypa snoring mouthpiece utilizes a unique tongue stabilizing feature. Like most stop snoring mouthpieces, the Zypa works by moving the mandible forward and by reducing movement of the tongue. Zypa is a stop snoring mouthpiece and anti-snoring mouth guard that works by moving the mandible forward and by reducing movement of the tongue. Anti-snoring mouthpieces can help many snorers sleep more quietly. Data from an NIH sleep study found that 44% of men and 28% of women are habitual snorers. A relatively small percentage snore because of obstructive sleep apnea. Anti-snoring mouthpieces can be over-the-counter or prescribed by a physician, and they work to correct issues associated with tongue, mouth, and multifactorial snoring. Many snorers have positive outcomes from using a mouthpiece. Zypa ships mouthpieces anywhere in the US and also provides international deliveries to most countries. Check out the link in description for more information on Zypa mouthpiece.